What's up, my people? So I think the last video I posted, I put my little ship knob on and stuff, but I'm in a good mood today because I just got off the phone with Texas Speed. So I recently had a little problem, not with Texas Speed, with AWE. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the pictures right here. Yeah, so those pictures right there, I ordered the correct exhaust, but AWE sent me single exits, and I have dual exits, so I don't want that. So I sent it back. It's been like 2 weeks, we've been going back and forth. But I finally got in touch with Texas Speed. I talked to a dude named Vincent. He was real nice. He talked to the supervisor and stuff. He said they about to try and get it out this week. And I also talked to him about, because I ordered the chrome at first, and I was like, chrome? I was like, no. So like the exhaust tips, I think I want to go black. The chrome is cool, but I think I'd rather go with black exhaust tips. So yeah, let's get up in the car and talk about what we're about to do today and what we're going to be doing today. To be honest, this never gets old. It just never gets old. What's that? We got a full tank of gas? Hold on.
First coming. 20, 30,000.
Hold on, copyright. Can't get that. We're trying to get monetized. Alright, on the road we go. We were about to leave, but the timing on the UPS guy is just impeccable. He popped up right before he about to take off. So, if I'm not mistaken, this is what I need for us to be able to do the lowering springs on the car. So, let's see. Yep. Let's see. We need this part. Well, not a part. We need this tool right here to get under the car so we could jack it up. So I just kind of get away what it was, but hold on. Whew. There we go. The low profile ramps. So just because since I put the side skirts on my car, I like it's kind of lowered, so the jack is too big for me to get under there. So now I needed this actually to shoot the lowering spring video. So now I can put my lowering springs on the car, and the header should be getting put on pretty soon because I just talked to Texas Speed, as I'm about to get to in a second. So I'm about to get back in the car. As I said earlier, the reason why I haven't did exhaust yet is because first one, I got the MPP, so it sounds good, you already know, stock, but I also had my headers. My plan was to do the headers and the cat back at the same time. So we were talking to AWE, and well, Texas Speed is a vendor, and they buy from AWE, but they're like kind of like there's a designated vendor for them. So I got the order right, but AWE sent the wrong order. So I've been waiting for like a week now. I've been talking to dude, talking like a lady named Maddie up there. But then I talked to a dude named Vincent this week. I sent it off on the 29th. I've been had the exhaust. I supposed to been put the exhaust on the car and got you guys that footage and stuff, but things happen. So I just talked to Vincent, and he said hopefully he could try and send it off by the end of this week, because some stuff got messed up since I sent it off before 4th of July. If you send anything up before before a holiday, you should know there's going to be complications because it's going to get delayed and everything. So that's what happened with that. But I just talked to Vincent, so I ordered chrome dual exits, but he's gonna try and give me the black ones for free since I've been waiting. So we're gonna see. That would be pretty dope if he could do that for me. But with all that being said, exhaust is going to be coming soon. And as you've seen, I just got the ramps on the car. I just got the ramps out the mail, so that should also be great. So we should be putting the lowering springs on the car soon, and headers also. So I'm gonna get a dyno video before all of that, so the content's gonna be coming pretty soon. But I have to get this car washed, y'all. This car hasn't been washed in like 2 weeks, and it's a black car. So yeah, you already know how that goes. Okay, so we just arrived up at the car wash, and I'm trying out something new, y'all. We about to see. It's called I feel like tire shine don't work, so we go try the tire gel, and we go see, because I feel the tire shine just never works, man. All right, y'all, we back, man. I can't wait to try this out, man. We got the car washed up. I'm gonna pull in the garage. We go wipe it down and stuff. You know, I just go to the contactless car wash so I can do all the washing and stuff for me. I ain't gotta sit out there in the sun wash it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we about to wipe it down. We about to quick detail it, clean these rims, and about to put this tire shine on. We go take it back out. We go see. But now you can finally see. There go the shift knob. That thing fire, matches the stitching. And the carbon, you see the red and black. It's a common, you know, combination, but it's fire. So let's get on to what we supposed to be doing here. Yes, sir, they work pretty good. So now I have the extra clearance I need. Let me see, you got about 6 inches off the ground now. I'm gonna definitely need these, especially when I put the lowering springs on, but right now it's difficult to get my big jack under there because the side skirts we put on. So yeah, it's kind of hard with the side skirts we put on. So we about to use the tire shine. I'm gonna actually leave this jacked up like this on the ramps, because we're gonna be putting on the lowering springs pretty soon here. So the two products we gonna use this wheel and tire cleaner, and we trying out this tire gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the wheels, and I'm gonna get back to you when we applying the gel on the tire. Now that we wipe the wheel down in there, how to get the tire gel. This stuff smells good, y'all. When we applying stuff, you know what I'm saying? I like to fold the towel like a hot dog, then go hamburger, boom. Like that, so you can know what side of the towel is clean. So we'll go with some of that like that. All right, now let's apply on the wheel. Yeah, I know that was picking it up, but we gonna see it one more coat. They saying it'll have it like really glossy and, you know, that kind of stuff. So we gonna try that out. know if it's picking it up on there, but this is some, it's like sticky. Yeah, it's some good stuff, y'all. Well, I don't know if that video did justice, but that's all I got for y'all today. Your boy about to continue his day and go get something to eat. So, catch y'all next video. We'll be putting on E-Bach Lowering Springs. Peace.
Perfect.